Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are all fine. Today, I am giving you black nail designs for yourself and for your friends. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Black nails demand attention, and there are many great nail art options from fun to sophisticated. There are many black nail designs art. Hope you guys like my idea. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Black is undoubtedly one of the most classic color. Opting for a black inspired manicure is a classy and chic option. When looking to make a fashion statement with your fingers, black nails can suit just about every outfit and occasions that is paired with. Hope you guys get different ideas from my video. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Black nails were synonymous with darkness and depression. These were fluented only by girls who were woo or could. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. But many people are attracted to bold and extroverted personalities, and nothing says bold like black. Therefore, black can be seen as an attractive color to wear on your nails. Don't be afraid to go to the dark side in the new year. Classic black nails will be totally into 2022 as a client's demand. Both men and women ask for a plain black manicure to get with their all black wardrobes. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. As a neutral color, black works with almost any other tone on the color wheel, making it one of the most versatile manicure options to go for. You won't have to worry about the color clashing with your chosen outfit or jewelry. No wonder the minimal manicure has long been a celebrity and red carpet favorite. Please share my YouTube channel. Thank you.